Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I know it's been a while, so there's a lot to catch you up on. But first, let's start with an unboxing from Village Crafting Candle. They sent me some of their jars. Honestly, I love this company. They were one of the first suppliers I ever ordered from when I started making candles, and I've always had a really good experience with them, so I definitely recommend checking them out. These are the 9-ounce LUX jars, and I love the straight edges on these jars. They look really clean and modern, and I actually use a clear version of these jars for my iced coffee candles already, so yeah, I was excited to see what they would look like in black. These next ones are the TERRA Glass jars in the 10-ounce size, and these are also just a good solid classic candle jar. I've actually used these before as well. They came in one of their candle starter kits that I tested a while ago. They worked really well with the Freedom Soy Wax and the large Premier Wick. These next jars are new to me, but I've definitely seen this shape around before. These are the LUX Traditional 10-ounce jars, and I think these would look beautiful as a double wick candle. And these ones I love. This is a shape I've seen a lot on Pinterest and social media. These are the 13-ounce Apothecary jars, and I think they look super high-end and expensive. I can't wait to test these out and see what kind of candles I can make with them. I think they'd look amazing with wood wicks and maybe some embeds inside, so I might test these out in a future video. They also sent a bunch of matching lids, which I love because there's so many different combinations you can do. A lot of their lids are interchangeable between the jars too, so definitely check out their website because they show you which lid fits which jars. And just in general, when you're starting a candle business, I think it's really important to find suppliers you can rely on consistently. So some exciting news for my business. I got accepted into another maker's location, and this time I'm shipping my products to Winnipeg at Polo Park. If you're in Winnipeg or nearby, definitely go check them out and support some amazing local makers. I'm super excited to have my products in their store. I've been pouring wax melts, diffusers, making candles this past week. I've also been trying to expand my assortment a little bit. I haven't really sold my diffusers or room sprays in stores before, but while preparing for Winnipeg, I decided to make extras so I could also refresh my display at Canada Mall. Retail is a lot of trial and error. It's been almost a year now since I've been in Makers. You have to learn what works in each store, what the customers want. I think even price point, there's sometimes a little bit of price sensitivity based on the demographic as well. So I've been really paying attention to that at Upper Canada Mall. And yeah, I'm excited to see what customers in Winnipeg would like too. Auto is the company that makes the wax melters that I love and have been using from the beginning of my candle making journey. And they actually sent me one of their thermal printers to test out and show you guys. I personally think thermal printers are such a good investment for small businesses, not just for shipping labels, but for packaging, stickers, price tags. I've shown in previous videos how I make my labels and stickers, and this just makes everything so much easier. The setup was really simple and the instructions were super clear. I do already have other thermal printers that I use, but I wanted to compare the size because this one is really compact and I actually like that. You can also use it cordless, so it's a Bluetooth printer, which is super convenient because you can print straight from your phone without having cords everywhere or needing to keep it connected to your laptop all the time. These 4x6 labels are actually what I use for my price tags at Makers. I cut them into individual stickers, and it's really cost effective because you're not buying ink or expensive sticker paper all the time. There's also so many different sticker options you can use with thermal printers now. There's different colors, shapes, styles. I made the designs in Canva and printed these out on my phone. I also love printing receipt style labels for my iced coffee candles. I've also been packing and shipping orders throughout the month. Thank you so much for all your support. I try to include little clips here and there, but honestly, filming while packing can slow things down, especially when things get busy, so I don't post as much as I want to. Just wanted to include clips of this one order. It was actually from a local customer in Toronto. She reached out and asked for the candles to be poured into the tins. And of course, I said yes. I love when you guys reach out to me and send me messages. So I always try to accommodate requests whenever I can. And I think they turned out super cute.
From afar, I could swear I thought you fell from the stars. Think about you day and night, girl, even when you're not around. I don't want it if it's not with you. Hey, I'm just keeping it straight, cause you got me feeling distracted. Let me show you the